Most people think you need millions of followers to make money on TikTok. That's not true. What you actually need is attention, consistency, and a clear way to turn views into income. First, understand this. Followers don't equal money. Value equals money. If your videos help people solve problems, learn something new, laugh, or feel inspired, you already have something you can monetize. The first way to earn is through affiliate marketing. This means you recommend products or tools you actually like, and when someone buys through your link, you earn a commission. The key is to make content that shows real results or honest experiences, not just ads. The second way is brand deals. Companies pay creators to talk about their products. You don't need a huge audience. You need an engaged one. Even small creators can earn if their viewers trust them and interact with their content. Another method is selling your own product or service. This could be digital products, coaching, templates, art, fitness plans, or anything you're good at. TikTok becomes your free marketing platform. Instead of chasing views, focus on showing your expertise. You can also make money through TikTok's built-in monetization features like creator rewards, live gifts, and subscriptions. These work best when you post consistently and build a strong community that enjoys your content regularly. Now let's talk about content strategy. Pick a niche. This could be fitness, gaming, business tips, beauty, tech, storytelling, or anything people search for. When you focus on one main topic, TikTok understands who to show your videos to. Next, keep your videos simple and clear. Start with a strong hook that makes people curious. Deliver value quickly. Avoid long intros. People scroll fast. Consistency matters more than perfection. Posting regularly teaches you what works. Look at your analytics. Notice which videos people watch all the way through and make more content like that. And remember this, building income on TikTok takes time. The goal isn't to go viral once. It's to create a system where every video brings you closer to income opportunities. If you focus on helping people, building trust, and staying consistent, the money becomes a natural result of the value you provide. Start small, experiment often, and keep improving your content. The creators who succeed aren't always the most talented. They're the ones who keep showing up.